right now. Here's first alert, the clouds and the radar. You saw the clouds on our camera network here, but I want to zoom in and show you where the heavier rain is coming in right now through portions of Lorain County, heading towards Bay Village and western Cuyahoga County, also out towards the islands in Sandusky. We were watching their Vermilion camera earlier, saw some waves out there on Lake Erie, the rain coming down. Right now, there's not a ton of lightning with this, and what this is doing here as it moves through, it's helping create stability. Thunderstorms love instability. They love sunshine and humidity. So clouds and rain help stabilize things. So that's why the threat of severe weather has shifted slightly off to the south and the east a little bit. Doesn't mean we can't see a stronger storm south of Cleveland, but this is helping keeping things stable and wet this morning. You see again, Lorain, Elyria, heads up, some heavier rain coming your way. Also New London, Huron County, and this is moving into Richland and Ashland counties as well, the northern parts of those counties. So temperatures today will be around 70. We're going to be dodging raindrops through most of the morning. We'll get a little bit of a break in the Cleveland area in the afternoon, but that's going to keep things cooler with that rain-cooled air around. This is what I was talking about with the threat for severe weather. Now, this level 2 means a couple of the storms that fire up, yeah, they could be on the stronger side. Damaging winds, heavy rain. Notice that shifted off to the east because that's where we have some more sunshine, some more storm fuel. Some of our area, there's an isolated risk because we're seeing a little bit more sun in these spots, but overall, heavy rain is going to be the big concern with the storms that are coming through because they're producing some pretty heavy rain right now. So late this afternoon, you see the rain, cooled air. It's slightly warming back up towards Sandusky and Norwalk, but the rest of us are going to be just shy of that 70-degree mark, and that's going to trend and keep things a little bit cooler the next few days. Coming up, I'm going to walk you through the rest of the afternoon, hour by hour. Father's Day weekend forecast, too. Your first look at that. Thunder doesn't like when the wet grass touches him. It's a struggle. Let me track for you now, because coming in, East Siders, you still got time to let the dog out. Lake County, Ashtabula, Geauga, even eastern Cuyahoga County. You still have time before it gets too soggy out there. We're tracking the band of heavier rain right now, moving through the Avon area, Avon Lake. In fact, I want to show you the 90 corridor here. And they just tilted the camera. This is at Route 83 getting off 90. Look at the sheen on the roads here. It is wet. Definitely ponding on the roads. Some of these intermittent bands that are mixed in with the swath that's coming through right now, like these dark areas of red that you're seeing here moving through southern Medina County, New London. That's the stuff that's going to bring some heavy downpours, low visibility, and could create some of those areas of standing water. That's really going to be our biggest concern with what we're looking at here this morning. Zooming out to show you the system here with the moisture coming in. So here's the front coming in, number 1. Front number 2 is still out to the west and will bring a chance for some more isolated rain as we head through the second half of the day into tonight. But right now, this is the moisture we're really focused on. And again, you see the clearing to our east. This is why the threat has moved east. We've got a lot of stability in place right now. Doesn't mean a storm or two can't tap into some of those ingredients, but overall, heavy rain is going to be our big concern, especially through the first half of the day. So 11 o'clock lunchtime, you see now our east siders are getting in on the action here over the next couple of hours. You guys won't be left out from this gully washer right now, especially since we don't have a ton of lightning. I haven't really seen many lightning reports overall. This is just going to be heavy rain as we head through the early afternoon hours. Right now, afternoon drive's not looking bad. There'll be some scattered stuff again. This stuff down here that's a little bit more isolated as we head closer to dinner time. We could still see a strong storm or two here at Tuscarawas County, Holmes County. Any of these small little showers that pop up, they could have the potential to tap into that. But again, overall, the severe threat's going to be low for Cleveland as we head through the rest of the day today. Overnight temps are going to be on the warmer side, and then as we head through tomorrow morning, we'll be a little bit cooler. Wake up temps around 60, and then in those afternoon hours, we'll be around that 70-degree mark. You see more clouds moving in. Overall, though, after we get through this system and that wave of energy that moves through later tonight, it is trending a lot quieter as we head through the rest of the week here. So at least through the work week. So next couple of days here, we're cooler, trending cooler tomorrow. After today's heavy rain, overnight temperatures are back in the 60s here too. Sunshine Wednesday. Now with this, potentially, once this cold front comes through, we have the potential return of that wildfire smoke. Jeff and I are going to talk about that tonight on First Alert Focus at 7:30 on Cleveland's 43. But if you are sensitive to smoke, I know the rain can help with the allergies. The smoke and the allergy potential, the tree pollen, could be coming back midweek. So giving you the first alert to that. Now, as we head towards the weekend, that's when things trend unsettled again. Friday, right now, we have a chance for a couple of showers. Few storms on Saturday. Temperatures staying in the 70s. Overnight overnight temps in the 60s, and it is Dad's weekend. Father figure celebrating anything with Dad. It's not going to be totally dry. There will be storms around Saturday, a few showers Saturday night, and then on Sunday we hold on to that chance for a few showers. But right now, low 70s, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that forecast if you have plans to head outside with Dad over the weekend.